Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's Miss Forensics or My Dear Forensic Lady Chapter 44. Para i-support nyo ako, i-like lang, share, subscribe, at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo kung meron akong bagong uploads. This is only a fast translation. There are grammatical and typographical errors. The translation is not accurate, so pagpasensyahan nyo na. After a fight, you developed feelings for me? No, I... You don't have to feel guilty or pity me. Captain Song is a real opponent. I really want to see who wins the free fighting and Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu competition. Lin Yan had a great time fighting Captain Song. Captain Song thought she would be unreasonable, but she didn't expect her to be so generous. That being said, I still owe you an apology. Don't worry, when you get better, I will fight you as many times as you want. Okay, it's just... Am I ever gonna get better? Minian is a little hungry. Captain Song told her to wait a minute and she'll buy something to eat. How is she doing? It's not a big problem, just some lung infection. Wait until the fever subsides before taking some anti-inflammatory drugs. Yeah, there's also a slight concussion. What the hell did Captain Song do to her? Captain Song felt guilty and decided to buy something good for Lin Yan. Let's be honest, shall we? Miss Lin, things aren't very good. I think Miss Lin knows as soon as possible, right? Don't let anyone know about this, including my father. Otherwise, so alam na ng doktor kung ano ang mangyayari kapag nalaman ito ng kanyang father. So nagtungo si Captain Song sa bilihan ng mga pagkain sa labas. Dumplings freshly baked, 1.5 yuan. Wenchang crayfish, authentic Sichuan spicy noodles. Miss, what would you like to eat? But in her imagination with Lin Yan said, "Is this for human consumption? This is pig food." And she said, "No, thanks." On her way to the hospital, she saw the doctor standing outside. Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa susunod na chapter at ano ang sasabihin ng doctor?